So this is the Land Rover that I fixed up. I put the parts on, and I'm just going to give the bumper a touch up here. Can you see that? There we go. They actually did do some of the parts like this by hand. So actually doing it by hand again makes it more authentic. I'm obviously going to have to match the orange a little bit here in some places. And there you go, there's the silver done. Now the windscreen is going to be a black, and I think they're flat actually, flat black. So there you go, we got the two bumpers silvered up. You can see that the one I put on is just maybe a little tad wider. It's hard to tell. That's good. And there's the little main ready for the first coat. And the black steering wheels. I've done it in a flat, but I might do it in a semi-gloss. I like not having them too shiny, otherwise they look too new. And there we go. Two Jeeps. Yeah, so here's the little man's crooked end result. The one with the bumper, windshield, and the bumper put in, and the steering wheel. And I have looking for a red hub. Most likely got to see if I got the part. I have the split pin ready to go, and I have a spare wheel for the hub here, an old. And I've kept it old looking. I did put a little bit of orange up in here to kind of mellow out all the scars. But in general, I've tried to keep it look old, because I kind of like that. And there's that one. And this one, I didn't have to do the bumper, right? So you can see the difference. This bumper has a little step in here, and this one's flat. You can put a wire along there to make it look more real if you want it. So this one has just it hasn't got the bumper on it. It was the original. I just painted that because it was all gone, and windshield, and the man painted, and steering wheel. So they're both done now, and so there you go. Voila.